Hello students, in our previous class we discussed about coordination number and radius ratio. If we know the coordination number, then we can determine the shape of the molecule, which depends upon the limiting radius ratio value. Why this is called limiting? Because there is a limiting value, that is from this value to this value. If the value lies between 0.155 to 0.225, then the coordination number is 3 and the void occupied is known as triangular void. And if this value lies between 0.225 to 0.414, then the coordination number is 4. Then the void is tetrahedral void, shape is tetrahedral. And if this value lies between 0.414 to 0.732, then the coordination number is 6. Void is octahedral, shape is octahedral shape. And if the value lies between 0.732 to 1, then the coordination number is 8 and the void is cubic void in a BCC arrangement. And the radius ratio value maximum amru 1 range पर्यंत आमे फिक्स करूचे, 1 रू लेस हबो हमरो, दैट मीन्स 0.999. जदि हमरो 1 किंबा ताठू अधिका हे जाउची से जगह आमे आयनिक क्रिस्टल ता पई कंसीडर करूने, बिकॉज़ आमे जहा भी पढिचे रेडियस रेशियो दैट इज ओनली फॉर आयनिक क्रिस्टल. जोटा कि स्टैटिक रो कहिची कि रेडियस रेशियो आमे डिटरमाइन करचे ओनली फॉर आयनिक क्रिस्टल. तो आमे आयनिक क्रिस्टल रे ऑलरेडी डिस्कस करि सारिचे कि गोटे कटायन रो साइज अनायन रो साइज टू लेस, सो रेडियस रेशियो इज इक्वल टू साइज ऑफ कटायन डिवाइडेड बाय साइज ऑफ अनायन. सो जदि गोटे कटायन रो साइज अनायन साइज तो इक्वल हबो, then this value reaches to 1, but always the size of cation is less than size of anion. So radius ratio value maximum ranges up to 1, less than 1, not 1, less than 1. In some books the radius ratio value may be greater than 1 or equal to 1, then the coordination number is 12. That arrangement is HCP or CCP type arrangement, which is not included in the ionic crystal, that is considered for metallic crystal. Okay, so radius ratio ame nouche for ionic crystal only. So ionic crystal pai ame consider korthile, that is more common void, that is your tetrahedral void and octahedral void. In tetrahedral void the radius ratio value ranges from point, that is 0.155 to 0.225. okay, and in octahedral it ranges up to 0.414 pai ame consider karuthile. So jodi ame noche 0.225 ame consider korche for tetrahedral and 0.414 consider korche for octahedral pai. So bartan dako ame derive kariba, that is sizes of octahedral and tetrahedral void pai ame consider karuche. So first ame consider kariba octahedral void, and next class जदि तुम चाहिए मध्य पढ़ी पारिबो मु ट्रायंगुलर void and cubic void पाई मध्य डेरिवेशन दे देबी. सो octahedral void and tetrahedral void पाई हमें डिराइव करिबा. सो फर्स्ट वी कंसीडर फॉर octahedral void, and फॉर octahedral void we know the radius of cation, that means R plus to radius of anion is equal to 0.414, which means R plus is equal to R minus into 0.414, that is 0.414 into R minus. So maybe you consider the cation as R plus or small r, or anion as R minus or capital R. So draw the picture like this. अच्छा हमें 0.155 to 0.225 रेंज पर्यंत कहीं नेले, 0.155 टू लेस वैल्यू कहीं नेले, दैट मींस 0 to 0.155 पर्यंत मध्य हमें रेंज नहीं परथांते. तो 0 टू 0.155 हमर जदि से जगह हम कंसीडर कोच रेडियस रेशियो वैल्यू तले सेठी हमर कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर आसीबो 2 सेप हमर आसीबो लीनियर बट आमे जानि छे जते अधिक हमर रेडियस रेशियो वैल्यू आसीबो मीन साइज ऑफ कटायन जते अधिक रहिबो जते साइज कटायन रो साइज जते बड़ रहिबो ता चारिपट आनायंस संख्या अधिक रहिबो सराउंडिंग आनायंस अधिक रहिबे तो जते अधिक आनायंस रहिबो से अनुसार तार कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर वैल्यू अधिक रहिबो एंड जदि कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर वैल्यू अधिक रहिबो तार स्टेबिलिटी मध्ये अधिक इंक्रीज करबो सो लिनियर शेप इज नॉट ए गुड पैकिंग तो ता पय हमें कंसीडर किछि भी करूना सो these are your anion सपोज हम ताको नेगेटिव साइन रे रिप्रेजेंट कर देली एंड ए जगह रे मु रखली कटायन ऑक्युपाई कला तारा void position cation occupy kala dara void position suppose this is your cation so it is suppose mo chaku octahedral void ame jancho octahedral void case re surrounding anion amar hole 6 but mu taku pictorially represent kari paruni kana at a time mu तुमको ऑलरेडी बुझाई छी जे चारिटा आयन बा चारिटा एटम गोटे प्लेन रे रहिबे एंड वन इज अबव द प्लेन अनदर इज बिलो द प्लेन तो मु ए जो कटायन रिप्रेजेंट करली दिस इज प्लस साइन रिप्रेजेंट करछि कटायन पई कटायन रो ऊपर गोटे एटम रहिबो दैट मींस आनायन रहिबो कटायन रो पछरे माने तळे गोटे आनायन रहिबो सो ऊपर तळे तो मु चित्र दे ताको देखै परिबे नाही so simple 1 2 3 4 मु आनायन ताको रिप्रेजेंट करिछि ए अनुसार so just imagine that so 1 2 3 4 चारिटा आनायन रहला मझे तार void so void रिपीट होला हमर कटायन so simple यार सेंट्रल पॉइंट पर फोकस करो and हमें सब बोले सेंटर को ही जोड़ी की लैटिस पॉइंट ताको कंसीडर करथिले so हम पाखरे मिलला गोटे क्यूब जस्ट कॉर्नर ड्रॉ कर दियो ता पई तो सपोज यहाँ पे दिल्ली A या को दिल्ली B here this is C and this is D so check करो ऑलरेडी तुमको कहि छी मु R plus this is radius of cation and R minus radius of anion बोली कंसीडर करि छी R plus को cation radius R minus को anion रो radius so here AB is equal to AB एठी हमें कोन कंसीडर करछे एज लेंथ नै छे AB हमर रहला A that is your edge length या को दिया इक्वेशन नंबर 1 देन हमें दबा AB again AB को हमें कंसीडर करबा सपोज दिस इज योर anion भाबरे हमें ताको नै छे that is radius रहला R minus from this point to this point again R minus from this to this so this is AB is equal to 2R minus then AC is equal to AC in the form of A हमें जानचे AB हला A BC मध्य A so AC हला केते that is A square plus A square root over which is equal to 2A square root over that is equal to root 2A so AC is equal to root 2A this is equation number 3 then again AC is equal to so 2R minus plus 2R plus check this is R minus again this is also R minus this is R plus so 2R plus 2R minus so AC is equal to 2R minus plus 2R plus this is equation number 4 then AC by AB is equal to AC by AB which implies AC 2R minus plus 2R plus is equal to 2R minus is equal to AC root 2A by AB is equal to A. So from equation 1, 2, 3, 4 we got this relation. So which implies 2R minus by 2R minus is equal to 1 plus 2R plus by 2R minus we got 2 2 so we cancel 2 here so R plus by r minus is equal to root 2, which implies r plus by r minus is equal to root 2 minus 1, which implies r plus by r minus is equal to root 2 value put करो 1.414 minus 1, which is equal to 0.414. That means r plus by r minus is equal to 0.414, which implies r plus is equal to 0.414 r minus. This is your derived relation. R plus is equal to 0.414 r minus. So carefully याकू देखिबो, then बुझवा को चेष्टा करो. Then we have to derive the relation for tetrahedral void. So tetrahedral void हमर क्रिएट होतला 8टा कॉर्नर रे. That means 8टा tetrahedral void हमर क्रिएट होछि in FCC arrangement. So tetrahedral void हमें क्रिएट करबा को जस्ट मिनी क्यूब हमें अरेंजमेंट करथिले. So मिनी क्यूब रो गोटे साइड माने गोटे कॉर्नर रो तार ऑपोजिट एंड रो कॉर्नर को हमें ड्रा करके ता भीतर हमें बॉडी डायगोनल जोटा को हमें कंसीडर करते हैं फेस डायगोनल बॉडी डायगोनल भीतर हमें void पाइबा. So tetrahedral void by just so लिखि दो छी दिस इज योर tetrahedral void. Tetrahedral void हमें कंसीडर करछि हियर r plus r minus is equal to 0.225. We have to derive this relation. R plus r minus is equal to 0.225. So for tetrahedral void, simple draw the cube. So suppose this is your corner, consider that term here, and a corner row, this is your back, this face, imagine करो a face रो a face पर्यंत draw करिवे. This is your body diagonal, opposite face रे मु draw करूची, same face रे face diagonal पाइछि. बट मु ऑलरेडी मु बुझे सारछि बिले. These are anions. ये सब रोइले anion. In between मु छोटो करके करूची. This is your cation void. So याकु नउचे हमें r minus. This is also r minus. तो मते एथि पई मध्य फेस डायगोनल ड्रा करबार अछि. So चेक करो मु ए डिस्टेंस टा को एज लेंथ a नै थिली. या पई एज लेंथ a नउची. तो ये ऑलरेडी एज लेंथ मु पाइथली √2a. So माको नेमिंग कर देले दिस पॉइंट ला a. This is your B, this point is C, and this point is D. So AB is A, BC A, and AC is √2a. Then we have to calculate AD. So AD is equal to AB square plus BC means AD is equal to AC square plus CD square. This is also A. So AD is equal to AC square plus CD square √over. So AC is equal to √2a whole square plus CD is equal to a square. So this is equal to 2a whole root. So 2a square plus a square whole root. This is equal to 3a square √over, which is equal to √3a. So AD is equal to √3a. This is equation number 1. Then again AD is equal to from radius AD is equal to this is your r minus, again r minus, this is your 2r minus plus this point r plus and r plus diameter part. So this is your 2r plus. This is your equation number 2. And from this relation AC, so AC is equal to root 2a, and again AC is equal to, this is r minus, both are touches each other, so 2r minus. This is equation number 3, this is equation number 4. So we have to compare equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. So AD by AC is equal to AD by AC. So it implies AD जगह put करो 2r minus plus 2r plus divided by AC 2r minus is equal to AD root 3a by root 2a, which implies 1 plus r plus by r minus मुझे cancel कर देछि is equal to root 3 by root 2, which implies r plus by r minus is equal to root 3 by root 2 minus 1. Also now solve this, r plus by r minus. So root 3 is equal to 1.732 by 1.414 minus 1. So solve it. This is 1.732 minus 1.414 divided by 1.414. So by solving, we got the relation as r plus by r minus is equal to 0.225. 0.225. So now the size of octahedral and tetrahedral voids are derived. In tetrahedral void, r plus by r minus is equal to 0.225, and in octahedral void this